Welcome to this video, which is titled Unplugging from the Matrix, Understanding Human Nature and Reality. Here, I'm going to refer extensively to the film The Matrix. In Matrix, the line delivered by Morpheus to Neo is as follows. You have to understand that most people are prepared to be unplugged from the system. This is very rich in metaphor and speaks deeply to human nature and psychological readiness. At its core, the Matrix embodies the complex allegory about reality, control, and awakening, which makes Morpheus' statement particularly profound. First of all, we have to understand the system. The system in the Matrix refers to the virtual reality created by machines to subdue humanity. This system is not just a physical entrapment, but also symbolizes the structures, beliefs, and illusions that individuals accept without questioning in the real world. It represents societal norms, cultural constructs, and the superficial truths people are taught to accept as reality, which can sometimes limit or control perceptions and experiences. What is the illusion of reality? In this context, the system is an illusion designed to maintain order and compliance. It is a representation of how reality can be constructed around beliefs and perceptions rather than objective truths. Morpheus' comment indicates that people are comfortable within this illusion and stepping outside of it, recognizing it as for what it is, requires a radical shift in understanding. This mirrors how individuals can become accustomed to certain ways of thinking, often resistant to change, even in the face of conflicting evidence. This raises a big question on human nature and comfort zones. Human beings naturally gravitate towards comfort and stability. The familiar is reassuring, while the unknown can be daunting. Many people find safety in the predictability of their daily routines and the societal expectations placed on them without any questions. Questioning these can be unsettling as it challenges fundamental perceptions and beliefs akin to unplugging from the matrix. So in the film, what is Morpheus' observation? Morpheus' observation touches on the intrinsic human tendency to resist change, especially changes that disrupt deeply ingrained paradigms. The film points out to the necessity of awakening and resistance. The process of unplugging from a system is symbolic of enlightenment or awakening. It involves confronting uncomfortable truths and experiencing cognitive dissonance. Neo's journey represents the struggle and eventual acceptance of a new reality and truth. For most, as Morpheus highlights, this process is intimidating and not easily embraced. Awakening requires openness to new possibilities and the courage to step away from the collective illusions and conditioned beliefs. Control and freedom. The Matrix as a system underscores the themes of control versus freedom. While plugged into the system, individuals operate under the illusion of freedom, which is actually a form of subtle control. The movie is an exploration of what true freedom might entail, the freedom to see the world as it is and choose how to live within it. However, with freedom comes responsibility and the realization of difficult truths that are not everyone is prepared to face. What is the motivation and readiness? Morpheus' assertion that many are not ready to be unplugged hints at the necessity for motivation and readiness to accepting change. Individuals must reach a tipping point where the discomfort of living a lie outweighs the fear of confronting the truth. This tipping point is different for everyone and is influenced by personal experience, cognitive openness, and emotional resilience. What are the implications for society? Implications for society, reflecting on the movie's metaphor, we see parallels in societal contexts, such as a resistance to change, systemic issues or question dominant narrative. The observation speaks to how societal change often meets resistance because of many benefits from or feel secure within the existing frameworks, akin to how people in the matrix remain unaware of their confinement. Through this lens, Morpheus' message is a call to action, encouraging individuals to adopt critical mindset, question what is often taken for granted, and seek deeper truths. While not everyone will choose to awaken or unplug because of the inherent difficulties involved, recognizing the possibility is the first step towards liberation from imposed structures, whether literal or figurative. In summary, Morpheus' comment in the Matrix resonates as a powerful allegory for our own lives. It challenges viewers to ponder the nature of reality, the psychological barriers to embracing change, and the paradox of freedom within structures. Ultimately, it highlights the transformative potential of seeking truth and personal evolution it entails, urging a thoughtful reflection on what it means to be truly aware and free. I have done a number of videos on the nature of reality, and this is only an addition so that it gives you a focus and a framework based on this movie, which is a powerful metaphor and gives you the necessity to evolve to our higher state of living. Thank you for watching and sharing, and have a great life.